Today we're going to talk about a new understanding of chronic pain and how it connects to something called your resting membrane potential. This concept is not just important for chronic pain, but also for many health conditions that seem to get stuck in a cycle. First, let's break down what the resting membrane potential is and why it matters. Imagine your nervous system as an intricate electrical grid. The resting membrane potential is like the baseline voltage that keeps everything running smoothly. When your resting membrane potential is balanced, your body can handle physical and emotional stress without triggering pain. This balance is key to resilience. It's what allows you to stay calm and pain-free even when life gets tough. But what happens when this balance is disrupted? If your resting membrane potential is too close to the threshold where your nerves start firing, your nervous system becomes overly sensitive. Even small triggers like minor physical strain, stress, or emotional upset can cause intense pain. This is why chronic pain can become so overwhelming and persistent. It's like having an electrical system that's constantly on the verge of short-circuiting, where even the smallest surge causes a big problem. This is a new way of understanding chronic pain. It's not just about the physical injury or stress alone, but about how your body's electrical system is functioning. When your nervous system is out of balance, pain signals are more easily triggered and you can get stuck in a cycle of chronic pain that's hard to break. Now, this is where biomedically based acupuncture comes into play. Biomedical acupuncture is a scientific approach to an ancient technology, and it's designed to help reset your resting membrane potential. By influencing the way your nerve cells function, this type of acupuncture can move your resting membrane potential further away from that dangerous threshold, giving your nervous system more capacity to handle stress without triggering pain. In other words, biomedical acupuncture helps upgrade your body's electrical system. It increases your resilience so that you can manage both physical and emotional stress better. By resetting your nervous system and restoring balance, acupuncture can help you break out of the chronic pain cycle and improve your overall health. So if you've been struggling with chronic pain or a health condition that just won't seem to improve, this new understanding might be the key to finding relief. Biomedical acupuncture offers a way to address these issues at their root by resetting your body's electrical system and giving you the capacity to live life more fully. If you'd like to learn more about how biomedical acupuncture can help with chronic pain through this unique approach, give the Center for Integrative Care a call at 619-287-4005 today.